Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am recording a video with my friends. We're playing Dead Rails. We're gonna build the best train in the world. So I'm gonna cut till when we start. So see you there. Starting it. Okay, here we go. We're almost in the game, guys. So here we go. Open. Let's see. Okay, me and one of my friends are using Alamo, and we have a lot of stuff right now. Okay, that's first. Someone, someone get these class items, bro. Someone get their shop and class items, bro. You get extra money. Yeah, Vivan, you should probably buy it because you don't have extra money, bro. Like, no one asked for that, bro.
Let's start building the train. First, I will buy torches. Touch, get out.
Okay, so guys, we're trying to build the train up. So let's just I'm gonna cut until we're done with the first part and get going. So see you there. Okay, so we've started moving and it's already night time. It took a really long time. Sorry about that, guys, but we have to deal with it. It works. Whatever.
Don't pick up walls. You need to store them.
Yeah.
Use it for decoration.
Yeah, because we're building the best train in Dead Rails right now, guys. So yeah, I'm playing with my three friends.
I need it.
Bro, the one time we're not pack master. We get wolves and we get 4 wolves in the first 2 kilometers. Hold up. So I'm playing with my 3 friends. I'm just gonna call them nicknames. Banana, Shadow, and I'm a naughty boy. I'm playing with those guys. I'm on a call with them. You'll hear their voices, but I won't say their names. So, yeah. Should I cut to the village? I think I should. Okay. See you there. Hold on. There's a sheriff, so I started the recording again. And it's morning. Awesome. Let's do this thing.
It's not a sheriff, it's a sherifa.
It's not a sherifa, bro. Oh, wrong. Oh, nah. Well, that's surprising. But he killed like half the zombies in there, so that's cool, I guess. Nothing. Oh, because it was rusty. Shit, it was rusty. That's why it's so bad.
Bro, let's take the gold over for decoration.
Why? No.
Yeah, let's mine it. It would be good decoration.
We'll sell the gold bars. We'll put the gold in it.
So I need a thunder gold. I need a, what do you say? Like
Thunder rod. Right, rod. How do I get this? There you go. So we're gonna mine this gold ore, guys, and put it as decoration.
It's such a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Give it to me. I will put it.
Sure.
No, bro, gold ores look bad, bro. They look bad.
Yeah.
We will sell it.
Yeah.
I am high roller.
I'll let you sell it when we get there.
Give it to me, give it. Sell it for lightning rod, bro. Remember what?
Yeah, cause 10 times.
Bro, that piece of wood is so big. I think it may be 75 items.
Wow.
And with high roller.
Get moving, bro. Get moving, guys. Get moving.
Oh, keep moving, guys.
Bro, Mr. Naughty Boy. Oi, get moving, bro. So I'm just calling my friends by their Roblox names because I don't want to actually say their IRL names. So you all gotta deal with that.
If you find it out, lightning rod,
Yeah, he will. Cause you're high roller, nah.
I think
But this might become a problem because we don't have anything. Oh my god, bro, what is this? Bro, y'all can back me up here, cause what is this lag? I might be cooked. I'm cooked. Help me! Oh my god. I'm gonna cut until I get revived, bro. Y'all do not need to see this. So see you there. So welcome back. Where we fixed our run. We didn't need to restart, but we fixed our run. Oh, general store. Okay, so we're stopping at this general store right here. I have a cavalry sword now, so we're good. Yeah, seriously. Bro, that's not gonna help you against them. Wait, what? You think we're in the condition to raid that Fort Constitution? So, I think one of my friends actually found a Fort Constitution. Let's see. There's no Fort Constitution, little bro. I can't raid it, bro. I will die. I would die, bro. I would die. I don't even have anything. I only have cavalry sword, bro. How am I supposed to raid it?
Wait, let me put this chair.
Put it.
Thank you. Where's the battery point?
Up there. It's up
At
there.
the corner.
At the corner. Over there. This area is going to be our statue area, guys. It's going to be our statue area over here. Over here. Yeah, get going. Why do we want the cannon exactly? Always. So do I, bro. Don't be greedy. Yeah, of course he will. I'm getting some. I'm basically useless, guys, because I don't have a gun. I basically have absolutely nothing. Guys, I would die, so like, don't worry about me. We find Captain Presswala Cop. Go in there. I need a gun. Let me have a bolt action rifle. I have no gun. Please give me a gun. I took bolt action rifle. Okay, so we're raiding the Fort Constitution right now. It's gonna take a very long time for this. Second wave might begin soon, so I'm gonna kill it. It's begun! I have my own problems. Right now. Maybe the second wave might be a problem for you. Is the second wave concerning, please? Can you answer me? Is the second wave concerning? One last ammo for me. I have one last ammo. Did anyone get Captain Press wala got? Anyone got Captain Press wala got? Watch out! Run. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh no, sorry.
I have bolt action. I have bolt action rifle, no worries. Vivan, can you move the train closer for us? Do it quick. Is the Vampire Knight concerning to you all? I'm gonna go on the safe point. Yeah, put Captain Prescott properly. So, guys, I should probably cut the video until we get to the second safe zone, which I will be doing right now. So, see you there. Okay, so I started the recording again, and here we are. We're at the second safe zone, and yeah, look at what our train's looking like right now. Not that, not that. Put it away, put it away, put it away, stupido. Oh my god, I'm gonna blow it up, little bro. Give me this. Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Run! Damn! Vivan actually trolled us. Stupido. I can't give you money, bro. That's your fault for spending your $100 that you had. Sell all the statues to get Akshan's $1,000. Sell them all. Vivan. Vivan, are you willing to use Captain Prescott to fulfill Akshan's dreams? Sell these. Sell something. We need to accomplish Akshan's dreams. Easily. Forget about it. The sooner we get Tycoon, the sooner we get Tycoon, the better it is. Collect it before you sell the other one. Got it. Now you spend all your money. How do you feel? How do you feel, Vivan? Vivan, can you? Yeah, you don't. Please ammo, bro. Please ammo, bro. Please ammo. Ammo, bro. Buy some ammo. Can you buy ammo? Vampire Knight. We didn't even need to sell those two, bro. It's literal Vampire Knight. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut until we're done and we're going out of the safe zone. So yeah, see you there.